So today I've got a TES-100, the Suzuki Waraku. You can see here that I have some keys which don't spring back. They're definitely broken, so I want to go ahead and show you how to repair them. You'll also notice it has this top portion that we need to get under, but we're going to access that through the back panel. You can see here the circuit boards. We're going to go ahead and remove those, and under that you'll get a wooden board. Under the wooden board is where our keys can be accessed. So I'll show you the wires first, and then we'll go ahead and remove that. And so now here you can see the metal plate, and under that the keys. And you can definitely clearly see that there are some missing black pieces here, the plastic pieces. So these key hammers, the metal hammers, come down and push those little pieces into the buttons that you can see here. This is resting on top, so you pull back that wood and then you get this resting on top of the metal plate. So we just need to replace those black clips. Here I'm showing you the black clip, as well as I printed in white a custom 3D printed key replacement. So the black pieces are normally actually inside that metal casing and act as a spring, but what we're doing is we're creating kind of a custom spring that's just going to sit on the metal hammer, and it'll act the exact same. I just made it the exact same height as it would normally rest on the black clip. Here you can see me awkwardly, nervously pulling back the board to put in the replacement pieces, and you'll notice I'm carefully lifting that wood because there's actually a flex coming in through a side hole. I didn't want to have to remove the whole thing, so I just kind of gingerly pulled up around it. So I'll put this in, and then I'll go ahead and put the board back into place and reassemble. Again, just showing some reassembly steps in detail in case people are doing this and get lost or say, oh shoot, where did that go? I can't remember where that wire went. And finally, just a quick little demo showing that everything works. Hooray!